Hello everyone, I hope that you are fine and doing well. In one of my previous video, I showed you how to install and run ComfyUI to run AI open source workflows. And yeah, it's a little bit complicated. This platform is a little bit complicated because it needs a lot of settings to also some nodes, a lot of nodes. You have to download the models manually, but it's a very powerful platform. In this video, I'll show you another platform that do the same, more or less the same thing as ComfyUI, but it's user friendly. It's really very easy to use. It's everything is automatic. It's called Wangp, and let's get right in. So as you can see, here is the GitHub repo, and I'll show you how to install it and how to run it. Okay, let's get right in. So first of all, you need to go to the GitHub repo. The thing is, you need first to make sure to install Git and Conda, mini Conda. It's very mandatory to before using it. You need to install Git and Conda. Okay, so once Git and Conda installed, you will go to this GitHub repo, 12gp GitHub repo. Scroll down until you arrive to the command prompt installation. Okay. Here it is. Okay, so here is all the commands that you need to type in one by one. So first of all, you need to open a command prompt. Go to you need to check first the folder, the partition where you want to install the tool. From my side, I'll put it into the partition D. Just open the Explorer and type in CMD and hit enter, the partition where you want to install it. And then once the command prompt open, just start doing the copy paste of those comments. First of all, we need to clone the GitHub repo of 12gp. In order to do this, we need to copy and paste this command, git clone, and then the URL of the GitHub repo. Okay, paste it here. Okay. Okay, that's perfect. So now when you clone the repo, it will automatically create a folder with the same name. It will be 12gp. So we need to access to this folder. We need a normal command prompt, cd the name of the folder. Yeah. Okay. Once done, we continue with the following command. So this command will create a new environment dedicated for 12gp, because we need to install after that some dependencies and some tools. If we install them without in the default environment, it will create some conflict. So in order to avoid any conflict, we need to create a new environment called 12gp. So we need to copy these commands and paste it again here. Okay. We'll copy the command to create a new environment, and we paste it here. And just hit enter. We will wait a little bit. It will take a little bit of time sometimes. Depends on the size of the files. Just wait. Okay, great. So now we need to click Y to say yes to proceed with the installation. Okay, now I'll speed up the video. All right, now it's done. Now we'll continue. Now we need to activate, as it said, we need to activate the environment. So in order to do that, we need to copy the command conda activate 12 GPU, sorry, the 12 GP, and then yeah, we paste it and yeah, run it. Once done, as you can see, the name of the tool is between brackets, as you can see. So once done, so we are now in the environment. So we need to copy the following commands in order to install all the dependencies. So we need to copy all these pip commands. This will install Torch, Torch Vision, and Torch Audio as well, and CUDA 1.30. Okay, so we need to copy and then paste it here. Okay, let's go. This will take a little bit of time as well, so I will even if I have a good internet broadband, but it will take a little bit of time, so I'll speed up the video. All right, it's done. So it's installed all the dependencies. Now it will install the requirements, which is the last command that we need to type in order to finish the installation. So it's pip install -r requirements.txt. And hit enter. As I said, it will install all those apps into the 12 GP environment. It will not install into the main environment. It will not create any conflict, Python conflict. Same, I'll speed up the video. All right, now as we finish the installation, so as you can see, when you have all those text, it means that you already installed it successfully. So what we need to do is just to copy this command in order to run 12 GP. So each time you want to run 12 GP, you need to copy and paste, or just you can create a batch .bat file and put this command into it and run it each time. So we need to run it now. Copy and paste the command python space wgp.py, then run it. Sometimes at the first time, when you run it at the first time, it will take a little bit of time to reload everything. Just wait like a little bit. I'll speed up the video. As you can see, it will download a few Okay, now it's fine. When you have this message, it means that it's fine. Uh, you can now open Wangp. What you need to do is just to copy this URL, this one. Just copy it, select it, and Control C. Open new tab in your browser and type and paste it here, the URL. Hit enter, and that's it. Here we go. So we already have now the interface, because you always use your internet browser in order to run the tool. So as you can see here, you have all the options to generate text to video, text to image, text to anyway, image to video, etc. So you have all the tools here listed here. Unfortunately, the inconvenience of this tool is unlike ComfyUI, this one will be limited to only to those tools. You depend on the developer. If the developer adds a tool, you can use it. If they don't, so it's limited to only those tools. You can use only those tools. I'll go through each of them in the following videos. We'll not go to the demo now. So this video is just to show you how to install it and run it. I think the most important thing now is to go to configuration and then performance, and then okay, so once there, the most important thing is to set up your profile. Depending on your hardware, just go down and check here the default profile. The default profile for video, for image, etc., for audio, etc. So depending on your hardware, you will need to check to select the correct profile depending on your hardware. So in my case, I do have this one, RTX 3090. No, sorry, this one is low VRAM. This is 12 gigabyte. For me, it's this profile, the profile one, as I have RTX 3090 with 24 gigabyte of VRAM and also 64 gigabyte of RAM. So I'll choose this one. It's the highest one. If you have less VRAM, you need to check to select this one or this one. It depends on your hardware actually. So if you have from low VRAM and low RAM until high VRAM and high RAM. So it depends on your hardware, GPU and RAM. So in my case, I'll choose this one. The same for image. I'll choose profile one, and the same for audio. You have to select for each type of generation. Yeah, that's it. And then you can go back to video generation, and yeah, on next video I'll click save. Sorry, you have to click save, apply, and click save. Anyway, for my next video, I'll go through all those open source video generator, for image generator, etc., audio generator as well. Okay, that's it. This is for this video. I hope it will be useful for you. Yeah, so please subscribe to the channel, follow us, and see you on the next video. Take care of yourself, and peace on you. Salam. Salam.